Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Hulu account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Hulu account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chromes, and on the search bar click over there and type in hulu.com like this and hit enter. Or you can just simply search for Hulu login like this and hit enter on the Google itself, and you can see on the first result of the Google search results there is the Hulu login. Click over there, and on the first page you can see it's the Hulu's home page, and on the second page this is the direct login page of Hulu, which we opened from the website. Now to log into your Hulu account from the home page of Hulu, you can see the sign in option or the login option available at the top right corner of the screen. Click on login, and you can see both of these interfaces are a kind of same. We will be logging into both of our account from over here, so let's close one of these. And to log into your Hulu account, you will be required to enter your email over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on login to sign into your Hulu account from your computer. Or if you have forgotten your email or your password, you can see the forgot your email or password option available over here. Click on there to go through a procedure to retrieve your email or your password, depending upon which one you lost. Or if you have not yet created an account on Hulu, you can see the start your free trial option available over here. Click on start your free trial, and you'll be taken to a procedure to create an account on Hulu, and you'll be given a free trial. After that, you will be required to pay for a subscription per month or per year, or whichever you desire. And then guys, this is how you log into your Hulu account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.